Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you the best beginner-friendly Android emulators for Windows that are easy to install, smooth to use, and totally free to get started with. So let's jump right in. My first recommendation is NoxPlayer, which is a versatile emulator that gives you the ability to use a keyboard, gamepad, script automation, and multiple instances, and it also supports rooting if you want deeper access. It's quite smooth for casual use and decent for gaming. The downsides, it can sometimes lag on lower-end hardware and occasionally pushes bundled software during installation, so you have to watch what you check. The next great emulator is LDPlayer, which is a newer emulator that strikes a good balance for beginners. It's lighter on system demands, has decent performance, supports multiple instances and key mapping, and tends to include fewer annoyances compared to older emulators. On the flip side, its Android version is a bit outdated, based on Android Pie, and compatibility with some newer apps might be less reliable. Next on the list is BlueStacks, which is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly Android emulators, letting you run Android apps and games on your Windows PC via a familiar UI that feels a lot like a tablet or phone interface. It offers features like multi-instance, so you can run more than one app at once, key mapping, and built-in support for the Google Play Store. However, it can be resource-heavy on older machines and includes ads or sponsored content in its free version. My next strong recommendation is MuMu Player, which gives a clean, relatively ad-free experience and supports multi-instance and up to Android 12, making it a strong choice for both apps and games. It's praised for being stable and lightweight on resources, but as with many emulators, not all apps run flawlessly, and some advanced settings or optimizations might require trial and error. Another fine app is GameLoop, which is tailored especially for gaming, especially popular games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile, so its optimizations are strong in that domain, and it's easy for a beginner to jump in. However, because it is game-centric, using it for general Android apps, productivity, social, etc. may feel limited, and it might not have as many general-purpose features as other emulators. And last but not least, MEmu Play. It is another solid all-rounder. It boots fast, is relatively lightweight, supports multiple instances, and offers a good balance between usability and performance. Its weakness tends to be that on very low-spec PCs, it might still struggle, and occasionally, compatibility with some niche apps can be patchy. And that wraps up our list of the top Android emulators for beginners on Windows. Each one has its strengths, whether you want lightweight performance, smooth gaming, or a full Android experience. Try a few and see which one fits your needs best. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.